In the world of art, few names shine as brightly as that of Michelangelo, a genius whose work has left an indelible mark on the canvas of history. Michelangelo's story is a tale of unparalleled creativity, fervent passion, and an unwavering dedication to the craft that will leave you in awe. In this video, we'll journey through the life and legacy of Michelangelo, uncovering the profound influence of this artistic giant and his timeless masterpieces that have continued to inspire generations. From his awe-inspiring sculptures, like the Statue of David and the breathtaking Pietà, to his magnum opus, the Sistine Chapel, Michelangelo's artistry has redefined the very essence of creativity and imagination. So stay tuned until the end of this video to delve into the captivating tale of Michelangelo, the artistic genius whose work transcends time and continues to captivate hearts and minds around the world. Michelangelo's journey as an artistic genius had humble beginnings. Born on March 6, 1475 in a small Tuscan town of Caprese, he was raised in a family of modest means. His early years were marked by a curious fascination with art, and at the tender age of 6, he was sent to live with a stonecutter's family in the nearby town of Settignano. There, his innate talent began to blossom as he observed and practiced the art of sculpting under the guidance of the stonecutter. During his infancy, Michelangelo was entrusted to the care of a wet nurse, as was customary in that era. This wet nurse, a woman named Caterina, played a significant role in his early upbringing, nurturing him with care and love. As he grew, his talent became increasingly evident, leading his father to recognize his artistic potential. Consequently, at the age of 13, Michelangelo was sent to Florence to apprentice under the renowned painter Domenico Ghirlandaio, where he honed his skills and embarked on a lifelong journey of artistic exploration and innovation. These formative years set the stage for the emergence of a prodigious talent that would forever change the course of art history. Michelangelo, the quintessential sculptor of the Renaissance era, left an indelible mark on the world of art through his breathtaking sculptural masterpieces. His ability to transform cold, lifeless stone into works of profound emotion and humanity is a testament to his genius. At the heart of Michelangelo's sculptural legacy stands the Statue of David, an emblem of human beauty and perfection. Commissioned in 1501 for the Florence Cathedral, this 17-foot-tall marvel was designed to stand atop the cathedral's roof. Michelangelo's David was a departure from the traditional depictions of the biblical figure, which typically portrayed him after his battle with Goliath. Instead, Michelangelo chose to represent David in the moments before the battle, his body exuding a sense of anticipation and determination. The level of detail and precision in David is awe-inspiring. Every sinew, muscle, and bone is rendered with such accuracy that it appears as if it was sculpted from the living flesh of a young man. Michelangelo's mastery of the human form is evident in the exquisite anatomy and proportion of the statue. The contrapposto stance, with its shifting weight and balance, adds a sense of dynamism, making David come alive, poised for action. David's expression is equally captivating. The furrowed brow, intense gaze, and furrowed lips convey a mix of courage, anxiety, and unwavering resolve. This emotional complexity is characteristic of Michelangelo's work, and it's one of the reasons why the Statue of David continues to resonate with viewers across the centuries. Michelangelo's process of sculpting David was no less remarkable. He selected a colossal block of Carrara marble, which had been rejected by previous sculptors due to its flaws. Michelangelo's belief in the potential of the flawed stone was unwavering, and he tirelessly chiseled away at it for over 2 years, sculpting the statue that would become an enduring symbol of human potential and artistic brilliance. Another sculptural masterpiece that showcases Michelangelo's unparalleled skill and artistic vision is the Pieta. Created between 1498 and 1499, the Pieta resides in St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City and stands as a pinnacle of Renaissance art. This exquisite marble sculpture portrays the Virgin Mary cradling the lifeless body of Jesus Christ after his crucifixion. The Pieta's beauty lies not only in its artistic execution, but in the depth of emotion it conveys. Michelangelo's ability to capture the essence of divine sorrow and maternal love is unparalleled. The contrast between the youthful and serene Virgin Mary and the lifeless adult body of Christ creates a poignant emotional juxtaposition. The drapery that cascades around Mary's figure, revealing the tender embrace of her son, showcases Michelangelo's mastery of carving marble to resemble the softness of fabric and flesh. This is particularly astonishing in the age at which Michelangelo created the Pieta. He was only in his early 20s when he sculpted this masterpiece, yet it demonstrates a profound understanding of the human form and the capacity to evoke deep emotional resonance. The Pieta serves as a testament to Michelangelo's extraordinary talent and his ability to transform cold stone into an embodiment of beauty, spirituality, and divine grace. However, the Pieta has not been without its share of misfortune. In 1972, an assailant severely damaged the sculpture with a hammer, causing significant harm to the Virgin Mary's nose, arm, and other parts of the sculpture. While restoration efforts have addressed much of the damage, the scars left by this act of vandalism remain as a reminder of the vulnerability of artistic treasures and the enduring power of Michelangelo's work to provoke strong emotions. The Sistine Chapel ceiling, an artistic marvel that adorns the Vatican's sacred Sistine Chapel, stands as one of Michelangelo's most breathtaking and iconic achievements. Commissioned by Pope Julius II in 1508, the project was an immense undertaking that would consume 4 arduous years of the artist's life. The result, however, is a testament to Michelangelo's unparalleled skills and creative genius. The ceiling stretches over 5,000 square feet and features a grand array of 9 panels, each representing scenes from the Book of Genesis, including the renowned creation of Adam, where the fingers of God and Adam almost touch, symbolizing the divine gift of life. Michelangelo's use of vibrant colors and intricate details, combined with his profound understanding of the human form, transforms the chapel's ceiling into a celestial realm. Despite the back-breaking labor and physical strain Michelangelo endured while painting the frescoes on the ceiling, his commitment to artistic excellence remained unwavering. The Sistine Chapel ceiling remains an enduring masterpiece that transcends time and serves as a beacon of inspiration, admired not only for its religious significance, but also for its profound impact on the world of art. Today, visitors from around the globe come to marvel at this breathtaking display of divine artistry. Michelangelo's artistic prowess extended beyond sculpting and painting to architectural achievements that have left an indelible mark on the architectural landscape of the Renaissance. One of his most significant contributions was the design and construction of St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. This grand cathedral, considered one of the holiest shrines in Christendom, showcases Michelangelo's architectural genius. He was appointed as the chief architect of St. Peter's Basilica in 1546, a position he held until his death in 1564. Michelangelo made substantial alterations to the original plans, contributing innovative ideas that enhanced the cathedral's grandeur. His most notable contribution was the dome, a structural masterpiece that still stands as a marvel of engineering and aesthetics. Another architectural triumph is the Laurentian Library in Florence. Michelangelo's design for this library reflected his fascination with classical architecture and is celebrated for its elegant staircase and meticulously designed reading room, which exemplify his unwavering commitment to harmonious proportions and aesthetic perfection. Michelangelo's final years were marked by a combination of personal challenges, artistic endeavors, and an enduring dedication to his craft. In his later life, Michelangelo continued to work on various projects, demonstrating an unwavering commitment to artistry that persisted even as he aged. One of his notable late works is the Rondine Pieta, a sculpture that he worked on in the 1550s. This unfinished piece stands as a poignant reflection of his artistic journey and his exploration of the theme of human suffering and redemption. Michelangelo's health began to deteriorate in his later years, and he suffered from various ailments. However, his dedication to his work remained undiminished. Even as he struggled with physical limitations, he continued to create art and contribute to various projects. Michelangelo passed away on February 18th, 1564, at the age of 88. His death marked the end of an era in the world of art, as he was one of the last great artists of the Italian Renaissance. His legacy endures through his numerous masterpieces, which continue to inspire and captivate the world, reminding us of the enduring power of an artistic genius and their profound impact on the course of art history.